Now that you have completed the assignment where you have brainstormed and come up with a whole list of box 3 ideas, the next application that I want you to do is to take your list of box 3 ideas and try to narrow them to 3 top ideas. And this process you may want to use in narrowing down and picking your favorite 3. Take all your ideas and plot them on a 3 by 3 matrix. The y-axis of this matrix talks about the attractiveness of an idea. It could be low, medium, high. Again, I don't want you to do a lot of calculation, a lot of analysis. This could be just back of the envelope scoping out. What's the total market size likely to be? What kind of a future growth potential you're likely to experience? Really base it on guesswork, but intelligent guesswork. And I want quick back of this envelope, quick calculations to classify a box 3 idea. Is it a big idea? Is it a medium size idea? Or is it the size of market potential is low? So low, medium, high on attractiveness of the idea. X-axis is about feasibility. Again, take the box 3 ideas that you have and put them in 3 categories based on feasibility. Low, medium, high. What feasibility talks about is how easy is it for you to capture this opportunity. That depends on several variables. Do you have the core competencies? Is this market highly contested? Are there other competitors looking at this market? Is there high or low barriers to adoption, etc.? Again, I don't want you to do detailed market research, detailed calculations. All that I want you to do is intelligent guesswork. Take the ideas that you came up with and just put them in these 3 categories. Is it, in terms of feasibility, low, medium, high? Now, once you have plotted all the ideas on this 3 by 3 matrix, then you can really see which should be the high priority ideas. High priority ideas are really at the bottom left-hand corner, where the market potential or the attractiveness of the idea is very high, where your ability to capture that idea is very high. That means feasibility is very high. And of course, the least attractive are ones on the top right-hand corner, where the market attractiveness or the attractiveness of the idea is low and your ability to capture that is also low. So once you have plotted this, then really pick 3 ideas based on these 2 criteria. As you can clearly see, an idea where the feasibility is high and the attractiveness of the idea is high, that should be your first choice. Suppose you only have 1 idea there. Then how do you pick the other 2 ideas? Or suppose you have no ideas in that quadrant. What do? Then you have to evaluate your idea by looking at your ability to capture the idea and the market attractiveness using, again, this 3 by 3 matrix. There could be an idea in terms of its attractiveness is medium, and your ability to capture that idea could be high. There is another idea where the market attractiveness is very high, but your ability to capture this is medium. So there you have to use judgment to see which idea you want to pick. My recommendation to you would be to always go for ideas. If you have to make a judgment, always go for ideas with higher market potential. What I'm trying to say is, even if the feasibility is low or medium, what that tells me is you may have to build new core competencies. You don't have all the competencies it takes to execute that idea today. Then it becomes an organizational challenge for you to construct those core competencies. So use this criteria in scoping out from your list of box 3 ideas to your top 3 choices.